Yeah, welcome back. I would like to take us through how to install HDD. But firstly, the work of an HDD, the hard disk, is to store the footage that has been taken by the camera, by the CCTV cameras. Okay, this hard disk is just like our memory card. For example, you want to take pictures or videos with your phone without a memory, maybe memory card or the device memory itself. It won't have where to save. Okay, so and I must tell us that the HDD, the hard disk comes in different sizes. Like I believe you are aware that we have maybe for our phones we have 32 gig, we have 16 gig, we have 64 gig, we have 128 gig. So for the CCTV camera, we have 500 gig, we have 1 terabyte, we have 2 terabyte. It depends on your customer priority specification or thereabout. So we will be installing the hard disk into the digital video recorder now, as in the DVR. So we can bring it out of the nylon firstly. So for us to install the hard disk, we have to unscrew the top of the video recorder first. Unscrew this. Most of the times there are 2 screws at the back, and we are going to be bringing out the 2. And also at this edge we have another screw. We unscrew that, and here too we unscrew here as well. Okay, so in order to bring this out, you open it this way. Okay, so you put it at the side. So, and there are 4 screws that comes with the DVR or any video recorder to hold. It always comes with the DVR. It is there for us to key in, to screw the hard disk to the video recorder. So this point, always note that this part will face the down part, and note that there are screw holes here, like 1, 2, 3, 4. That's why it came with 4 screws. And note that here as well we have 1, 2, 3, 4 screws as well. So this will face like this, and you try to identify, to note where the screws are going to be positioned. Can we all see here? You try and set it. You try and set it and be accurate as possible. Touch your screwdriver so it will be easier for you. And the 4th one, this is the 4th one. Here we go. Okay, so that is that for that. Okay, so here, so we've attached the HDD, that is the hard disk, to the video recorder, but it can work in this regards if we don't connect the cables that comes with it. Okay, this is attached to this. Can we all see it from here? This connects the the video recorder. So this is keyed to it already. So this is crystal clear that this one has to come in here, the white and the black as well, to this place. Okay, so that is all. That is how the HDD is being connected to the video recorder. So you have to take this back in. Remember the way we opened it, so it has to go in like this. Then now we are good to go. And notice we put this back in here, the screws. One. Two. Number three, here we go. Number four, here we go. Thank you. So that's how HDD, the hard disk, is being installed in the video recorder. Thank you very much. See you in the next class.